A warm welcome to all the teachers for yet another tutorial in G Suite Education. Today we are going to see how to integrate attendance automatically in our classes. Most of the teachers you may need it, therefore a template is created for you and then presented to you now, and how to integrate in our classroom we will see. So in G Suite, how to integrate Google Form for attendance. This Google Form is already made by me and it is shared, therefore you need not make anything new, only you will make addition or edit the class and you just fill your class and then start using it. So ready-made attendance for you. How to integrate, we will go inside. First, log into your email, that is KVS Gmail, and then click on the 9 square dot, and in that you select this drive, and after selecting the drive, that is your personal email and this is your personal drive in the KVS Gmail. Therefore that place you will go. Now after going to that, you will get a page like this. This is a drive page. In this, look at the icon at the left side below the drive symbol, that new. So plus new, click and you will get this. If you press that new, you will get all these. So go below from the first folder, file upload, folder upload and all, you come back, come down and select this more, and in that more, somewhere else, depending on your computer settings and drive settings, these things will come top, down, middle, somewhere. So go for or select this word Google Form. So look for the word Google Form and then immediately see a an arrow symbol on the right hand side. Click that arrow symbol. You will get two options. What are the two options? Blank form and form creation from a template. I told you blank form you may use it when you create a test or online MCQ questions, but here I already created, therefore I kept it as template. You can very well use it. Therefore just select the template area and you will be taken to your school drive or where the template is stored, that area. That until you need not do it, automatically it will go. And look for the word Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangadan Chennai region. Yes, template gallery. Now it may not be there, and since I created, one is sitting there, normally it is not there. In general we may find that is next tab, general you may find few, but here only one, as of now there is only one. Therefore look for the word that Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangadan Chennai and then click this, open this class attendance which is already prepared by me. So click that. If it is single click not opening, double click, open, then you will get it like this. So as I told you, at the heading attendance, at first for, you add only the word for and then your class 9A, 9B, 9C, 2A, 2B, like that. So edit the first line only, no need to do any addition or deletion inside. So please be careful, only the first line. Here you will give your class for students to know very clearly. Therefore after that you just add your class like this, 9A, 9B, okay, 5A, 5C, 5D. That's all. Your attendance is ready. You have created or you reused from the template, and for your class it is ready. And where is it? It is in your drive. Now next part, from drive you have to integrate this particular attendance to your classroom. That we will see in the next part. So now completed attendance form will have this or will look like this. So you have completed the first part, and right now what you do, close this form. You are in Drive and you are selected from template, and you recreated and edited and given name. Therefore now close it. Now it is safely sitting in your Drive. Now close that Drive also. So these two, close it. Then go to your Gmail. It may be there at the top itself. If it is not, go to your Gmail. Now open your classroom. Now whatever classes you are a part or member or teacher, it will come. And one of the classes you may be a class teacher. Therefore that particular class you select. So if I am class teacher of 9A, I am selecting 9A by clicking there. So go to your class where you are a class teacher, click, and you can go to that classroom. So 9A means 9A. Okay, it is there. Then click that classroom at the top. A stream classroom people. So there you click classroom, and how you create the material, post the material like that. Next, create the materials. So you are in the classwork area. Now choose create, and you will get a list. In that, this is not the quiz, this is not the test, this is not the assignment. Therefore go to the material, because daily they have to use, daily they need to give attendance. Therefore you choose material, and material page will come like this. There you give proper heading, attendance for class A, etc. Then give, if you need, give description, students please give attendance daily, etc. And then go and click that add, the third section, add, and in that add you choose Google Drive again. So it will come. Now recently, just now only you created your class attendance Google form, so it is readily available. So if you click Google Drive, after creating this attendance and then using add, and in the recent files you can see your file is sitting. Suppose you cannot see, you can see here using my Drive, you can select your files. So go to that proper file, select that file, so that will only come and sit. Don't select wrongly. You may have too many files, but the title you know already. Therefore using, see the title, using the title you can add. So click that. Then what you can see that attendance is coming and sitting here, and where it should be visible. So already you have topics, subjects. Therefore I already told you to have these headings, important documents. I don't want to mix up with the English or Hindi or maths. Therefore I have a special heading or topic or subject, important. If it is not created, you can create. Otherwise you can leave it in the open at the top. Always it will be top. It is a good practice to arrange it in topics so that students will not find it difficult. The next one is to post it or make it available to the student. Therefore select the topic and then post it to the students. So go to the top, that post. If you post it, you can see in the page, see under important documents, we will see that attendance for class 9A is going on sitting comfortably. And that's all folks. You have attached attendance. Daily your students will go, click and do. Now the third part, sir, what to do daily? If they give how many percent, how many absent, where are these statistics? Yes, we made giving attendance easy for the students. Now how to manipulate or get the results or get the statistics? So for that again, what you do, go to your email, click Drive, and you will have forms, Google Sheets, documents, etc. Now so many things are there, but again click that same form, that attendance form. So click that attendance form and go to that in that form, don't click the questions will be visible. Now next to that question, responses will be there. If you click responses, you will see a Google Sheet on the right hand side with that green row and column intersection symbol. So if you click, that is where all these data students are giving in the form of Google Forms, but the data is stored in this Google Sheet. So if you click, we will get it like this. Then by using our sorting technique, arranging techniques, we can have it. So since calendar is integrated, date, everything can be done by the students. You can do one day by day, you can do, or weekly once you can do the sorting arrangement and store the information separately, or in a second sheet and hide the sheet, or every month you can do sort and then hide. So this is how we can do class wise, subject wise, and then time slots wise. Hope this makes your job very easy. So teachers, please use the readily available attendance prepared by me. That will be very helpful for you for the school. So now maintaining attendance is easy. Agreed or not? Hope I'll get a positive response. So you can be relaxed, you can be organized, and you can be happy, and you can be free. Thank you.